Good morning, everyone. Well, we are going to get a weak cold front in the region today, but it's going to take a while for it to get here. So, therefore, it's going to take a while for our rain chance to begin. 8 a.m. this morning, just a whole bunch of sun out there to slow you down for the morning commute. In fact, I think the earliest we'll start to see a stray shower or two pop up is about 4 o'clock this afternoon. This will also be the warmest part of the day, and temperatures really are going to be very similar to yesterday. I think in most places will be about a degree warmer, so still most of us topping out in the upper 80s, but probably a couple more spots reaching the low 90s right next to the lake, only topping out in the mid 80s. Now, there's still going to be wind around today, but not quite as much as yesterday. Yesterday afternoon got quite windy. Wind gusts frequently 30 to 40 miles per hour. Today, I think we're going to be in that 20 to 30 mile per hour range. So we'll call it breezy, especially as we get into that late afternoon, early evening hours as that front gets closer to us, but not quite as windy as yesterday. So rain chance beginning at 4 o'clock. But as far as our best chance of rain, that's going to be when the front is right over us. And right now, it's looking like about 8 o'clock this evening. Now, notice this is not going to be widespread rain. We're talking about isolated showers and storms. I definitely have to mention the chance, but I also have to mention that probably not everyone in the region is going to see rain. There are going to be gaps. But if we're going to see rain, the most likely time is 8 o'clock this evening. It's going to be a combination of showers and possibly weak storms. I'm not going to rule out a couple of weak storms, but not worried about severe storms. Then the chance will start to decrease after 8 o'clock, and I think by midnight, the rain chance coming to an end. So that's Thursday. What about Friday? Well, it looks like the cloud cover is going to increase for Friday morning, so a cloudier start to the day than what we're going to see this morning, but no rain to be found for the morning commute. Now, there are some hints, some leftover showers from some activity, some storms off to our west may try and push in, but the latest high-resolution models say they're probably going to fizzle out before they move in. So looking like the morning hours are going to stay dry. We get the cloud cover, but not the showers in the morning. And then when we get into the afternoon on Friday, look how the sun returns. The clouds decreasing. And because of today's front, again, not a strong front, but a cold front, so we are going to be a little bit cooler for tomorrow and a little bit less humidity. So look at high temperatures for tomorrow. Mid to upper 80s instead of upper 80s to low 90s in most spots. And I think the wind will be lighter tomorrow, finally catching a break. There's not going to be much wind around in the region. What about Friday evening plans? Well, again, the cloud cover thickening up a little bit, but still no rain showing up. So especially during the early evening hours, looking good. There are some hints we might get some activity to move in very late Friday night after midnight. But for dinner plans, the early evening hours, looking good for now.